All right, so you have your Nintendo Switch and your battery on your controllers keep dying out. This is a perfect solution. This is actually a docking station to go. Now it's built in with the actual controllers. If you can see, it has all functions, especially in the back. There's extra functions for the actual Bluetooth to connect and sync every single connection to the left and right. You got the basic connection and the basic buttons. If you can see, you could type C connection here. You got to control your analog sticks and so forth, your top and bottom. Exactly like the Nintendo Switch. It works for the OLED or the regular Nintendo Switch. So we're going to put it together. We're going to test it out and see how it works. So charging these too much. And they do come with a type C cable too, but it has all the functions and they fit. Look at this. It just slips on easy. And all you got to do is turn it on. Let's test it out. So we're cranking up the games and see how it works. One of the best things I like about it when I take the Nintendo Switch is that it's compatible with a lot of devices, and especially like things like this. Go home. So we're gonna go home. Look at this. Look at how it lights up. I'm gonna turn off all the lights so you guys can see how great it looks. To preserve battery, it's recommended if you're on long trips to turn off the LED light. They give you that option. This you could be able to play all your games pretty much on the go. On the back, here's a Bluetooth options, all right, because you could sync these controllers for other devices too. You got controllers, D-pads over here in the bottom, the R and the left, they're the bottom ones. A lot of controllers come with the same thing, but this is going to be a permanent thing that you don't have to remove. It's on the go. You can change the color and enjoy the game. So this is going to last you for quite a while on your adventures. If you guys can see, it works out of the battery. Now I just turned off all the lights so you guys can see how beautiful it reflects. You could change the lighting, of course, and look at that. Different colors, the LED light. It's just no controller can do this, but this one, beautiful colors, outstanding colors. So you guys can see that green. Look at that. Red, purple, kind of like a navy blue back to red. So very simple, very versatile. It's very simple to put together. You just slide in your Nintendo Switch in here and you'll enjoy plenty of hours on this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.